Activision and Blizzard was just bought by Microsoft for $68 or $69 billion.
So Activision, you see that across the screen, like when you're playing a game, like so they make Activision the games, right?
Yeah, they make all the games. I mean, Blizzard made WoW, so World of Warcraft,
okay,
and that was like one of the biggest like online games of all time. It was like RuneScape and shit.
So is Activision like Call of Duty and stuff like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I was listening to a podcast before this. I think they said 3 million people in the world are gamers. 3 billion, sorry.
Wow.
3 billion of the world's population is a gamer.
That's awesome.
That is amazing. Like, so that's wild. And so, like, because everybody's like, why are they doing this? Like, the Blizzard CEO's had a bunch of problems lately as far as like sexual, like, of not running the company the right way. Like, there's sexual assault complaints, didn't handle it and everything else. But the way Microsoft is moving, and this goes for anybody who's in business, recurring revenue is king.
Okay.
Right. And so what Microsoft has done with the Xbox model is that they've created the Game Pass. And so you just pay a monthly subscription
for online playing gaming
to play different games, right? And they're just all available to you.
Oh.
Right. That's why these SaaS companies sell for such high multiples, because it's just a yearly subscription.
Yeah.
And then you don't know how long they're going to stay. And then the cost to reproduce that game is zero after it's been created. And so I can sell that over and over again, and it doesn't cost me money to just hand out a subscription.
So then it makes sense for Activision to buy out Microsoft, because if it's already on. Wait, what?
So Microsoft bought Activision. So this is Microsoft,
because they're already doing a subscription base for Activision's games anyway.
Yeah, so they're already doing that for Xbox.
So they're like, we want in on that. Then at that point, we might as well buy the gaming company, because.
Yeah, I mean, they're like, Xbox at a point in time was like, oh, is this like a redheaded stepchild or whatever? Like, it's just a little business. Now I think it even plays bigger, and like, keep your eyes on crypto gaming, because the one thing that's really good with crypto gaming is like the NFTs are actually valuable, and the coins are actually valuable, because like now the NFTs applied in the game and it works, because all a new skin on Fortnite is just an NFT.
100%.
Right, and so now that like it's going to a whole nother level. Now, Microsoft sees the vision. They just paid $69 billion for this shit, and so crypto gaming is about to take off.
So you can believe like whatever it is that you want to believe. But at the end of the day, like, people don't just drop billions of dollars on something that's a fad. No. You know what I mean? Like, so like when people are like, oh, is this gonna be what it's supposed to be? Like, these businesses pay high level executives to do research and to really, you know what I mean? Like, these are big time decisions. You don't just dump that
technology acquisition of all time.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So like, that should tell you something. Like, at the end of the day, like, when big businesses or big companies make decisions like that, like, shit's real.
And like, crypto gaming is really cool. Like, you can make a lot of money.
Well, the VRs, right? Isn't that what the VRs is?
So
maybe in the metaverse and shit?
Yes, but then like, there's some other shit on crypto gaming, like Axie Infinity, to where it's like Pokemon in the crypto world. I think it's like $3,500 to start. I can buy different Pokemon. I can breed the Pokemon, create new rarity. Then I can rent those teams out to other people for them to use my team to go fight other people, and they pay me. And then while they're renting me, they're arbitraging my animals.
That's
right?
Crazy.
Like, they're arbitraging it, and then when they win a battle, they get paid.
Yeah.
And so and then they make the split on top. Like, it's wild. You can breed, you get paid to breed stuff. It's called Axie Infinity.
Well, so think about playing Pokemon. So back in the day, like, you know, I mean, I'm 31 years old. So like, when I was in elementary school and more elementary, that's when Pokemon, the Game Boy Colors came out, right? Yeah. And we had the Pokemon Yellow, Pokemon Red, Gold, all that shit. And can you imagine, like in a sense, like, all this shit now with Pokemon, like, if you was Ash, like, you know what I mean? Like, now you're Ash, you're in the metaverse, you're Ash, and you going around fucking throwing virtual Pokeballs. Like, that shit sounds pretty dope, bro. Like,
it's dope. And then
someone come out with that, I low-key might be playing it, because
it goes into a VR set now, and I'm making money doing it. It gets into a crazy world of, like, the Matrix is not that far away.
Get some Pokemon.
But dudes are making like hundreds of thousands of dollars a month playing that game, Axie Infinity, and like breeding Pokemon, catching Pokemon. Well, their version of Pokemon is pretty cool.
But I'm gonna try to get some Airbnbs in the metaverse. You know what I'm saying? Think about it. You ain't gotta have no cleaners come through there. I guess you do some virtual cleaners. Virtual cleaners going in and like knock the shit up.
But, so that's one of my topics. Okay. What else? But yeah, crypto gaming. Look into it, and then create recurring revenue models in your business. You have to, if you are in any type of business.
You see, Jake said the Game Pass has an insane amount of value. It's a no-brainer.
Right, but like, I mean, they made a really amazing offer with the Game Pass, right?
100%.